pull the plant.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Ready?
Okay,
all right.
Alright. Okay, go dig.
Get the potatoes off the...
Good job, Turner.
That's a potato.
Baby, Mama, potato.
Good job.
Oh, look at that one already making its own eyes. Let me see that, guys. Weird. Well, look at here, guys. This is called not planted. Look at this. Look at this. I already have seed potatoes. I waited too long to harvest these. Okay. Keep going. Keep digging.
Oh, potato.
Good job, Turner.
Wow.
Turner.
You got it. Whoa! I've never grown that one so big. Look at.
Go, Bob. Go dig some more for me.
Look how big. Keep digging. There's plenty in there.
This is the only way.
Keep digging. Keep digging.
Found one.
Keep going.
Hold that big one. Hold on. What did you
There's more. There's some going to be in here.
dig around?
You got to dig.
Okay, dig it.
Keep-
Spread out.
You got to spread out. Dude, that's
Grandma,
a
watch
big
out.
one. Wow, Nelly.
Did you get? Oh, it's a cute baby one.
I think it's so deep.
Yeah, you did. Keep going. Where's Bella?
It's right here.
Where do you think? Did you find another? That's the cutest baby one. Isha, look at his baby
Let me see.
Look at.
Whoa, Nelly.
So cute.
There it goes.
That's a baby.
Go by Isha, Turner.
Okay.
Keep digging.
Level one.
Hold on. See, look at under here. Look.
Level one.
See the main plant's under here.
Oh, I know I got this one.
Ooh, good job. Wow. Oh, you got baby one too. All right, go ahead and pull one, Collins.
Well, I already got some seed potatoes.
Go.
That's kind of cool.
Awesome.
Collins, hold this one.
Only want you to take a picture.
The tiniest baby.
Collins, right here, right here. Little Omi.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay,
Oh
keep
my
it.
God, Turner, let me see your baby potato.
Woo. He'll smile. Here, hold this. And look at Omi and say cheese. No, cute smile.
Pull the plants up.
Now look at me.
Careful.
Turner. Ready? Like this. Turn like this.
Careful. Careful, baby.
I think I got it.
Mama, the baby's going through.
Need me to do it? Do you need me to do it? Ready?
Okay, go. Look, the Isha just pulled one.
Okay, there's still more under there, guys.
Look, Omi.
Wow.
Keep looking. They're under there. Look at. Okay, there you go. There's one.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
It's huge.
Keep, you got it. All right, hold on. There. Oh, wow. You got to dig. That's. Yeah. Whoops. Keep going. Wow.
It looks like a carrot.
Cool. Yeah. You got it. Keep digging. They're in there. Oh, how cute. Here. And I've already pulled out so many out of here on the top.
Let me see. Is there any more in there?
I'm going to have to.
Oh, let me see. Here, let's see. Watch out. Collins, get out of there.
Okay, careful if you want to stab them. All right.
Look at Bella in the middle of Tanya's feet. Wow, that's a good one.
Follow these roots. Follow these. Look, pull that right there. Pull the roots. No, pull them. Hold on. Let's see. I know. I thought maybe those are just the roots.
No, you gotta go all the way under. You never know what you're gonna find.
Look. Thanks, Collins. Hold on.
Where are you going to put this?
In the compost.
That's it.
All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna dig under there more and see what we got. I've also pulled out a bunch of. Come here, Mister. Let me see. I've also pulled out a bunch out of this spot. So funny though. I got some seed potato down, so I'm gonna replant these guys here soon. All right, closing out. Bye.